Hi, welcome to Goose Chase and the school discovery hunts. I'm going to start by suggesting that you make sure that you have a Goose Chase account, and you should have gotten an email inviting you to join Goose Chase. Once you have one Goose Chase account established and you're co-managing games in the future, you will see your pending invites under this down arrow right here next to your name. So there'll be pending invites, and it'll show that you have some pending, and you click on that and you click accept, and then you'll be able to manage the game. You could probably also access that through the link in the email. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to show you how to edit and make other changes to your particular missions in your game. This is what the game looks like. If you want to change the game description, you do it here, or the game name, you can do it here. Feel free to leave them the way they are. Under the branding on the top left, this is for My Discovery Destination. It has to be there, so please don't make any changes there. You're going to be making your changes in missions. Now here are the hunts that we have already populated. There's an introduction that tells you how to get started. So we'll go ahead and edit the second mission. Get the picture. You'll hover over that section that denotes the mission, and you're going to click edit. And at this point, we're going to come in here and we're going to just fill in the blank with North Cache Middle School. Yep, North Cache Middle School. And then you're going to hit Save Changes. And that's all you do to edit any of the text inside the mission itself. There are other things you can do. You can attach a photo here if you would like. If you have a picture of your school, that'd be good to put here. These links link to My Discovery Destination adventures, and they are important to the mission. If there is no link and you have a link to say a school store, then you can feel free. Let's say in the School Spirit, we could put the link right here. You just click attach link, and then you'd put the link there that you wanted. There's some other fun things that you can do. If you go to the leaderboard, here is where you can send messages to any single participant or to all participants. You can also adjust scores here. You can give bonus points. We like to award bonus points for really cute videos. If you have a problem with the team, you can remove the team here. And if you click on submissions, this is where you can see what has been submitted, and you can download them and other activities here. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Megan. I'm the Assistant Director for My Discovery Destination, and this is my email, MEAGAN @mydiscoverydestination.com. And I'll respond. I could jump on a Zoom call with you and show you how to do things, or explain it via email, whichever works best for you. And I am usually online most of the time. So look forward to hearing from you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.